Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an administrator or local account in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do is at the start icon, do a right click and scroll up and go for settings. Once you have opened your settings, wait until it's ready. And here, just have to go for the left side of your screen and look for accounts. Okay, so I can see your accounts next to apps. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked it, you will be able to open your account's options. Here, just simply scroll down and under the account settings, look for other users. Okay, so I can see here other users next to Windows Backup. Click on it. Once you have clicked it, it has this options which is add other user. Now just simply click this add account to create a new account. Here in this new window called Microsoft account, you will be able to create your account. Okay, so let's just wait for a moment. Okay, so here it asks you how will this person sign in. So you can go with an email or phone. You can simply input your email that you are using right now, or you can go with I don't have this person signed in information. Okay, so simply click on this I don't have since I will not create an account using a Microsoft account. Okay, let's just wait for a moment again. And here it has three options which you can input your email account or you can get a new email address and add a user without a Microsoft account. So in my case, I'll be going with this again. And just a moment, you will be redirected here. So under this create a user for this PC, it asks you who's going to use this PC. So just have to modify your username that you want. Let's go with Wayne. And then here you need to modify a password, simply click and enter if you don't want to modify a password. So in that moment, you have just successfully created your account. Now, if you want to change this local account into administrator, simply click this down arrow. And here it shows two options, which is account options and account and data. Go with change account type. And here in this new window called changed account type, click this down arrow and go with administrator and click on OK. So in that manner, you have just successfully set your account into administrator. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.